YouTube, we are back and we are here at Bernie's. We're gonna do a little review at this place. I'm my homie Jasmine. She a singer, she anointed, hallelujah. We here with my brother Turo, Arturo, Maria, she alright I guess. And Ish over here in the corner. We're waiting for one more, we got Jason on the way. So we at this new place. I'm about to give me the class clown.
The substitute, wow. That win tells you lose. I win.
Oh, selfie time. Recording. It's selfie, So the first thing at this place, lemonade is pretty sour. Yeah, I guess we gonna order. Y'all about to know the real Maria, bro. She just judged Doodle for getting no lettuce or tomato or anything.
Only God can judge me, bro.
What kind of burger is that straight up? Don't even get me started. Already planning Bible College Miracles of Jesus Ministry Tour. Oh, snap! Houston Ministry Tour. This is Friday Zoo Youth.
That boy Jason just got in the building. There's no way I believe I see you do it again.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Review on the shake. How's the shake taste? You heard from Jason. Super you guys. Sorry. We got the food. We got the food.
He's like,
okay, so you
but make sure it's sour.
gotta try this out.
Oh, how come not get french fries?
We got fries.
I know what I gotta work on. I know. I'm sorry.
It's me. That's what I meant. Well, you was working on yours. Sorry.
I'm just I'm playing.
You improved from what I used to hear back then.
What? I was really religious.
Dude, when we first met you,
Yeah, you were like,
I feel like
very
you're so different from when we first met.
Yeah, whenever I first met him, I was like, I love it like.
I love it, like,
Hey, y'all hear that?
But now you're like, no, straight
Now
up.
you're fan.
I mean, I still loved you and everything, but it was like.
Not bad.
Oh, it's all
Not bad.
I was gonna.
Should I start doing food reviews? Should we start doing food reviews?
I'm done. A good critic.
down.
We do it? Yeah, it's down.
done.
Bro, it was long.
Food reviews. We're coming through.
Mine looks flat.
That looks so nice.
Oh, so then, does that mean we get to see you today? How do y'all get y'all steak? I get it well done.
I get mine medium.
Yeah, I don't like it rare.
Medium? I don't like
well done. It's dry, bro. Well done. Steak is very dry.
I said no onion.
But we about to try these fries.
I tried it with like the red, with the blood, like not well done.
That was pretty good.
Bro,
Yeah,
bro, I'm not gonna eat it.
the fries is weird. Not a fan of it. No.
You didn't?
Do you like the fries? They're good. I don't like them. It tasted good at first, but then the aftertaste was bad. The aftertaste is horrible.
You don't like them?
They were nasty.
I got regular.
I don't like these. You like them? Oh, they're passing it up.
I was about to drink. Don't get those fries.
Okay, so in all honesty, we weren't a big fan of the fries. What kind of fries were they?
Parmesan crinkled fries?
Yeah, Parmesan crinkle fries.
They're gross.
Yeah, they weren't too good.
You're not gonna go?
You might like them, but we personally weren't a fan. Except for her, she liked them.
We said that you sing, and she's like, oh, I'm gonna sing. I was like, yeah, but your voice is like, compare mine and your voice.
Like
is,
you have a higher pitch.
Yours is lighter than mine. Not like your speaking voice, but singing voice, I guess you gravitate towards more of like a higher pitch.
Yeah. The other day I was singing a rock style, like in church song. Cristo yo tengo. I don't want to scream right now because it's like La libertad en la casa.
Good, bro.
La libertad.
Are you looking around?
Come on. Hey. Oh, my lip. I got that on camera. Hallelujah. My man of God, hallelujah.
You need some ketchup. You need some.
Those better? No, they need pepper.
These
Yeah,
fries
this is the best time
are
to do
better.
it.
The original regular fries are actually very good. They're salted very well.
Very
And I
well.
do recommend y'all come through.
Yeah, by an appointment, something's going to happen to you.
You're right. Come on. The Lord says he wants all of us to be there.